So today we're at Gatlinburg for some mountainside tubing. It's summertime tubing, so if you're looking for something to do down in the summer and you really want to slide down a slide with a big tube, it's really all you're doing. Let's have some fun. Awesome.
All right, stand still.
All right. Oh, you want me to go ahead and sit in it? He's wanting me to go ahead and sit down. Oh, let me get with the strap in the middle so it doesn't get caught. There you go, sitting like this. Oh, you sitting up front. All right, man. I'm waiting to see you do it, dude. Crush it. Go down. Perfect. Have a good day. Oh, yeah. I gotta put it up now. I don't know if you were able to see it, but I had a kid that was teaching me how to use the slide with the tubes, and kid was having so much fun, and then he just darts down there. I had so much fun. Take your kids over here. You're gonna have a good time. Ober Gatlinburg. See you guys next time.